Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can send any video or image file as a document on WhatsApp. Remember that if you're going to send this as a document, your quality will be not decreased. So how you're going to do it? Simply click on this plus button and here you will see the document option over here and simply click over here, and here you will be given three different multiple option. So you have to select choose photo or video option over here, and you will see another pop up in front of you, and you have to select that video or an image that you want to send as a document. I am going to select one image, so I have selected over here and I click to next. So my image will be sent as a document. Now I am going to select video. Simply click on plus button and then you have to click on document option over here again, and you have to select choose photo or video option, and here you have to select the video, and then you have to click on the next button. Your file will be shared on WhatsApp as a document without losing any quality. For more such kind of tricks, please subscribe my YouTube channel.